Namaskar, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds any version to your Meta Quest 3 or 3S. To connect Samsung Buds, you have to open your Buds here. It's fine. Now we'll go to our VR. In VR, you can see here, this is infinity button. If you press, it will go out the system, all the setting. When you click infinity or meta button, you will see here is this is quick setting button. Click this one. In quick setting, you see Bluetooth device and no Bluetooth device available. Hit this one. If it's off, you have to click this to on. Then you have one scan button. You have to click this one and it will scan all the device available. It should be appear the Samsung here. We see here the Samsung device, if it's available or not. We close and open again the Samsung one to scan. If you don't see at the Samsung set, you have to go at the bottom. Here at the bottom you have one button in Samsung. We open this one and we press this button at the bottom. You see the white light appear. So after that it should appear. Let's go. Let's see. Ultra 2. Here you see the light, different color of light is blinking in Samsung after hitting this button. So we'll see Buds 3. Here is appear Samsung Buds 3. Hit pair button. Pair. It's done. So you see Samsung Buds 3 is available. It's paired. Here you can see also it's done. It's paired. So I can use. I open here. You see Buds 3 is available. So this is the way you can connect. The same way how you want to disconnect, you have to go to device. You see the pair status. You see here unpaired button. Click this one to unpair. Is done. Hit done button, that is disappear. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.